Hello everyone, my name is Shrutika Sutar. We started a third we started a unit third AC circuits. First we see the introduction of the AC circuits. When a coil is kept rotating in uniform magnetic field about an axis in the plane of an coil and perpendicular to the magnetic field with the angular speed omega and alternating EMF E is equal to E0 sin omega t is separated between the ends of the wire of the coil. After a regular interval t by 2 of the time, the EMF reverses its direction where t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Alternating EMF is shown by the symbol. You are also familiar to the inductance L of the coil, capacity C of the condenser, their effect in the alternating current circuit. You have noted that the EMF induced in the coil of the inductances VL is equal to L di by dt. The potential difference about a condenser is Vc is equal to Q divided by C is equal to integration of I dt divided by C in AC circuits. When a current passing through them is varying, you are also familiar with the quantities inductive reactances XL, capacitive reactances XC, impedances Z is equal to under root Z R square plus X2 square minus X square. When a when a coil is kept in a rotating uniform magnetic field, then the coil and which it shows the about an axis in the plane of the coil and perpendicular to the magnetic field with the angular speed omega. Then we see that the regular interval t is equal t by 2 of the time, EMF reverses in its direction where t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Alternating EMF is shown by the symbol is given here. Then inductances of the coil L is equal to di by VL is equal to L into di by dt. Then condenser potential difference of this condenser is Vc is equal to Q divided by C is equal to integration of the dt by C. Then capacitive reactances Z is equal to R square plus X2 minus X square. Then first point is complex numbers. We know that the complex number is equal to Z is equal to X plus Iy, which is shown in this figure as similar to in this chapter. We know that if A and B are two real numbers, the quantity A plus JB is called a complex numbers where J is equal to minus 1. It is denoted by Z. Obviously A is a real part and IB is an imaginary part of the complex number. The quantity A square plus B square is equal to R is called the modulus of the complex. If we write A is equal to R cos B, B is equal to R sin theta, and then Z is equal to A plus JB R, J sin theta plus cos theta, where theta is the argument of the complex number. Where the complex number is A plus JB, where A and B are the real numbers. Then put the J complex number I is equal to under root of minus 1, where A is equal to R cos theta, B is equal to R sin theta. This is also called the complex number. Then the corollary of that complex number is also in this figure, where the J is looked upon operator turning a vector B bar through the 90 degree on an application. If A bar and B bar are the vectors in the same direction, J, B bar and A bar are vector perpendicular to each other. The position vector of any point P may be represented by the vector OB bar is equal to R bar. This diagram shows that the vector complex analysis in this imaginary form. Then we put the sin theta and tan theta, which is formed in the exponential form, where cos theta is equal to e power I theta plus e power minus I theta divided by 2, and sin theta is equal to e power I theta plus minus e power minus I theta divided by 2i, which is shown in this figure, where the then the I is equal to r e power minus theta, where we note that the r cos theta plus j r sin theta is equal to r e r epsilon power j theta, shows that the r cos theta is the real part, r sin theta is the imaginary part in the quantity. It should be noted that the convenience we write r is equal to a plus jb, r is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta is equal to r epsilon j theta to denote a vector r bar. That is, sometimes we drop the bar sign in the vector. Therefore, through the OP is equal to r represent the complex number a plus jb. OP bar is equal to r is equal to a plus jb. That is important note in the 12th standard. The alternating EMF was taken as E is equal to E0 sin omega t. The quantity E0 sin omega t can be looked upon the imaginary part. E0 epsilon j theta is equal to E0 epsilon j omega t, where E is equal to E0 epsilon j omega t in the general form. We also learned that when an alternating EMF is applied across the pure inductor of the inductances EL, an alternating current I passes through it. If you take the alternating current as I is equal to I0 epsilon j omega t, the EMF induced in this current EL is equal to L di by dt is equal to j omega I0 epsilon j omega t. Hence, using the theory of the operator, we interrupt it as a EMF in this inductor, lead the current by the pi by 2, and the opposition of this inductor of the alternating current L omega, called the inductive reactance, is denoted by the XL. Therefore, XL is equal to L omega, hence EL is equal to JXLI. Similarly, we have learned that when an alternating EMF E is applied across a pure capacity of the capacitor of the capacity C, an alternating current I passes through it. If we take the current I is equal to I0 epsilon j omega t, potential difference across the capacitor EC VC is equal to Q divided by C. Integration of this I dt divided by C is equal to I0 epsilon j omega t. Then this theory interrupt as a potential difference across the capacitor behind the current by pi by 2, and then alternating current is 1 by omega c, called the capacitor. Is the reactances denoted by the Xc is equal to 1 by omega c and Vc is equal to minus jXc. That is the application of alternating AC circuit in the series form, which is shown in this figure. When a inductor is connected to the capacitor is connected by resistor, then we give a equation Vc is equal to Q divided by C, Vs is equal to L into di by dt, and Vr is equal to Ri. LCR series circuit. Suppose that the inductance L of the condenser of the capacity C and the resistance of the resistance R reconnected in the series and alternating EMF E. E is equal to E0 epsilon I omega t applied across it. The EMF equation of the circuit is VR is equal to E. L di by dt plus 2 by C plus Ri is equal to E is equal to E0 epsilon j omega t. VL is equal to EL di upon dt, L into di by dt plus I into dt by C plus Ri. E is equal to E0 epsilon j omega t. Here I is the instantaneous current in the circuit. We know that L di by dt is equal to j omega Li is equal to j XLI. Q divided by C minus j by omega C into I. That is the J is equal to E divided by R plus J XL minus XC. Comparison with the ohmic relation, that is current is equal to EMF divided by resistance. Then the complex impedance Z is this formula in this book. Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC square is equal to R square plus omega L minus L divided by omega C square. This is the impedance formula which is solved, that is give is equal to I is equal to E0 R minus J XL minus XC divided by R square plus XL minus XC square E0 epsilon J omega t, where Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC square is equal to I is equal to E0 R minus J XL minus XC divided by Z square is equal to epsilon J omega t. Then E0 divided by Z is equal to into R divided by Z minus J into XL minus XC divided by Z into epsilon J omega t. Then tan theta is equal to XL minus XC divided by R.